classically pneumonia is being caused by viruses and bacteria along with fungus. So bacteria is the most common organism which is causing. Streptococcus pneumoniae is the organism which is most prevalent for all kind of infection. So if we are talking about bacterial infections, so bacterial infections mostly related to lower respiratory tract. Lower respiratory tract symptom would be cough, fever and persistent kind of purulent sputum along with chest pain. These are the usual symptoms. So bacterial symptoms will come all of a sudden. Patient will be having symptoms not growing slowly, but they will develop suddenly. So they will land up to the hospital either in OPD or in emergency. Mostly patients who are coming to us in OPDs, they are having mild to moderate kind of illness. So easy treatable problem if a patient is coming in OPD with tablet form of antibiotic, as we all know, it is a bacterial infection. But if we keep on ignoring this normal bacterial infection, this can change into a severe kind of infection that might land up into a hospitalization. So Streptococcus pneumoniae is the most common leading cause of bacterial infections. Measures to treat it is antibiotics when it is already been developed. Prevention of Streptococcus pneumoniae is vaccination. So there are two kind of vaccinations. So Prevnar vaccination and pneumococcal polysaccharide vaccination. Prevnar vaccination is a conjugated vaccine that should be given in age less than 15 years of age and age more than 65 years of age, which is recommended in these age groups and in all age group with weak immune system, person having diabetes, kidney problems and all kind of immune related problems, they can also get a jab of pneumococcal vaccine. So vaccine is going to prevent all kind of future infections every time with bacterial pneumonia. So this was related a bacterial cause of pneumonia. Other cause of pneumonia is viral. Viral infections can cause lower respiratory tract infection or else it is a pneumonia. So what all viruses can cause? Two primarily which are now prevalent is, that is corona, as we all know. So viral infection can be prevented by vaccination only. So vaccination for preventing flu kind of infection is pneumococcal vaccine that has to be given every year. This is a killed kind of vaccine that is not having any side effects, so that should be taken every year. A jab of injection. Corona vaccine everybody is aware of. So corona vaccine we are already having jabs and we are all vaccinated along for it. So this was all about pneumonia awareness. So let's celebrate World Pneumonia Day this year with safe and healthy life. Thank you and regards.